Hi Leos, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Leos, for your general energies, career situation and relationship, guys, we are picking these cards, guys. Leos, if you like this reading and if it resonates, guys, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. And I have a pick a card love reading right after this general energies, so that reading may clear your doubts or answer some questions you have in your circumstances, guys. Leos, so you can stay tuned for that, guys. So let's see what are these cards. We have 6 of water, 4 of earth and 4 of fire. So, in your circumstances, guys, Leos, in your work situation or in your relationship today, you are someone in a particular situation today. You are trying to understand why certain things are happening, why certain things are going this way, and you are simply shocked, or you are in disbelief. You don't know what to do because you have made a lot of efforts, you have worked really hard, but divine order is what is manifesting. So some kind of destiny or karma is working in your life today, guys. And you realize that nothing is permanent, and you feel that sense of sense of reliability only on that divine plan. You, in your heart of hearts, you know that though you are working hard, whatever is destined to reach you, whatever is meant to be yours, is what you are going to get today. And that is the highest good for you and for the people in your life today, guys. And you are where you are supposed to be in your life, in your circumstances. So maybe there are some stressful circumstances in your career, or it may be certain difficult circumstances in this relationship. But though you are trying really hard to understand why things are going in a particular way, it is the divine order, guys, the beauty of the divine order. So whatever is meant to be yours will surely be yours, and you have a perfect understanding of that fact today in your life. And maybe you are speaking to the people whom you are really friendly with, guys. Maybe your friends or family. You are sharing your story, things happening today, and you are healing from trying to communicate your pain and sadness to the people you love, and you are trying to heal from the past, heal from whatever negative things that you faced in your life, and moving on to your future, moving on to that brighter future in your life. And maybe the trust in the divine order is going to help you, is going to bring you out of this difficult situation, because there is a creative phase coming up in your life very soon, guys. So you are going to celebrate something, maybe some success in your career or some success in this relationship. So though things are going in a very difficult way today, you need to understand that this is not something permanent and this is something temporary, guys. So That is what I see with these cards, guys, Leos, and that is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys, Leos. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your situation, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading, guys. So after a few seconds, guys. Okay, guys, so now let's start the reading. So for those who chose the first card, I will keep the second card aside. For this card, we will see what it is. It is the Little Mermaid, sacrifice. So when you get this card in a reading, guys, it just means that you are on the way to make an enormous sacrifice. You are considering maybe, and you are restricting your true voice. You are not speaking what you truly feel, and you are doing that in order to gain that acceptance from someone or avoid conflict. And you are giving up your emotions, maybe trying to fit yourself in your circumstances, in your environment. And maybe it is totally uncomfortable for you, painful for you, and you are feeling really heavy, ill at ease. You don't know what to do. You feel really uncomfortable and not at home and feeling really awkward, making these changes that are not true to your emotions or true to your heart. So instead of making such sacrifices which are really painful for you, which are not what you are trying to change yourself to something which is not the truth, guys. So this self-sacrifice is only taking you towards more pain and sadness, and maybe in the long run you may earn the other person's pity but never love. So you need to understand that you should never deny your heritage, your talents, skills and your abilities, your beautiful abilities. That is what is going to make you more lovable and true to yourself. So trying to change yourself is not going to help you in any way, guys. It is going to create more pain for you, and that is not the truth. You are trying to live a lie, so that is not going to take you anywhere, guys. So that is the energy with this card, guys. So we should stand for the truth, what we honestly are, and when we build our relationship on that honesty, it is going to work. But when we change ourselves to something which we are not, and when we build that relationship on that lie, that relationship will move towards pain and more sadness, guys. So that is the reading with this card, guys. So let's see what is the second card. So for those who chose this card, the second card, it says courage. So with this card, it just means self-determination and conviction, having confidence in ourselves and standing for what we truly believe in. So standing firm for ourselves does not mean controlling or ignoring others, but for determining what is not up for negotiation. So certain things we truly believe in, we must stand for it, guys, and we must never compromise on our beliefs and ideals. That is what this card is about. So when we do that, when we have that self determination, finding that purpose, we encourage the other person also to do the same. So we must be compassionate towards others, and we can listen to their beliefs or ideals, but never ever give up your convictions, your own convictions or belief. So that is what this card is about, guys. So we must be able to hold on to what we truly believe in, stand strong, stand confident and courageous. So that is the energy with this card. For those who chose this card, that is the reading, guys. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, guys. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.